The Higgs is part of what has been termed as the Higgs boson.
Right.
So explain the Higgs and the boson, both.
Okay, we're celebrating the fact that we have found a new particle never seen before in Mother Nature by slamming two beams of proton at trillions of electron volts. And this particle, we think, was in fact, a particle like this was the fuse that set off the explosion which created the universe. So that everything we see around us, the galaxies, the planets, the Earth, life itself, is a byproduct of an explosion which was set off by a Higgs-like particle. We think that originally the universe was a gas of particles with no mass at all. Think of a crystal, beautiful crystal, totally symmetrical, but useless. It exploded. And the shattering of this crystal gave us all the masses of the particles today. The electron, the proton, the neutron, the atom. Why do we have a nucleus? Why do we have a proton? Because they have masses. So the explosion of the particle broke the original perfect symmetry of this crystal, giving us the broken world we see today of planets, stars, galaxies, you, me, even love. All of it from this explosion triggered by a Higgs-like particle.
Okay, it's still very complex, but I know that you often break out into the sociological implications of science as well. This is the beginning of a very, very big conversation, isn't it? This isn't just science. This is how science may actually disprove religion, because you said you cringe when you hear God particle. Is that where we may be headed with this?
Even more than that. Realize that the Higgs boson takes us to the instant of creation itself, and we can run the videotape before the Big Bang. We can talk about the universe before the creation of the universe itself. If our universe is a soap bubble of some sort and it's expanding, there could be other soap bubbles out there, other universes. And so this is where the next step beyond the Large Hadron Collider comes in. We're going to look for evidences of a pre-Big Bang universe, perhaps the existence of other universes. And then, of course, we have the question that everyone asks me, is Elvis Presley still alive in another parallel universe?
Is he?
Maybe. You can't rule it out.
Come on, we're going there? Really?
We're going into areas that take us before the instant of Genesis chapter 1, verse 1. We're talking about going before the beginning itself. I tell you, this is deep. This is really deep. It has philosophical, theological implications as we talk about a universe, a parallel universe, other universes out there coexisting with ours. And the Large Hadron Collider, this gigantic machine in Geneva, is the key to perhaps proving the existence of these other dimensions.